Hi friends, now we will discuss about a small topic, uniform plane waves. Before going to that, just first of all we have to know about what is meant by a plane wave, and after that what is meant by uniform plane wave. And simply a plane wave is nothing but a wave which is normal to the plane, is called as a normal to the plane is called as a plane wave. And at the same time uniform plane wave is nothing but a plane wave which is having equal magnitude in all the directions is called as a uniform plane wave. Simply plane wave is nothing but a wave which is normal to the plane is called as a plane wave, and uniform plane wave is nothing but a plane wave which is having equal magnitude in all the directions is called as a uniform plane wave. Now we know that the wave equation for free space wave equation for free space is del square E bar equal to mu naught epsilon naught into dou square E bar by dou t square. It is the generalized plane equation. That is the free space. For free space, it is the wave equation. Here, now let us assume that a wave which is traveling in x direction. Let us consider a wave which is traveling in x direction. Then the space variations of E bar and H bar. Space variations of E bar and H bar are 0 along that direction. That is along x direction. That means simply now consider a wave traveling in x direction, then the space variations of E bar and H bar are 0 along that x direction. That is, the values of Ex and Hx will becomes 0. That is, Ex and Hx is equal to 0. Those values will become 0 because we are assuming that wave is traveling along x direction. So those two components of electric and magnetic field intensities will become 0. And at the same time, this implies the fields have neither y or z direction only. That means those fields can exist in y and z directions only. Then dou by dou y and dou by dou z will becomes 0. Dou by dou z and dou by dou y will becomes 0. Then with this existence, then the value of the component this one will becomes 0. Then dou square E bar mu naught epsilon naught will becomes 0. That is the I am assuming it is equation number 1. Then from equation 1, mu naught epsilon naught dou square E bar by dou t square will become 0. From equation 1, dou square E bar by dou square will become 0. When we write the solution for above equation, it will become E equal to function of x minus v naught to t plus function of x plus v naught to t. It is in forward direction and it is in the reverse direction point of view. But in free space, there is no reverse. There is no reflected signal. Then this component can be eliminated. Then it can be written as E equal to f of x minus v naught t. It is the expression that we are getting from uniform plane waves.